Dede. Okay, guys, well, welcome back. It is 27. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay, we mark the high and the low. This is 27. Let's go to our 3 minutes time frame. Okay. 3 minutes time frame. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. You see this? Okay. Perfect. You see this? We had something here, and it's a very long candle. Okay, so we mark long candle. Okay, so we mark the high and the low. This is our low and the low. This is our low. Okay, that is our low. Then we mark our high. Now our high. Now we mark our high. Like that. Okay, and this was our previous high. This one here. Okay, so after that, this is what we do now. We measure 20 pips. We measure 20 pips here. 20 pips. Measure 20 pips there. That is our 20 pips. Okay, and then we measure 20 pips low. 20 pips low. Sorry. 20 pips low. There. Yes, perfect. So now we have our range already, which is this one here. We have our 20 pips here. But you see here we have long wicks. Price has been rejected. But we cannot ignore this one here. We can't ignore this. Okay, first of all, we cannot ignore this. That's number one. But again, perfect. You see, we have seen market has opened already, very sharp, take liquidity, and here it is, still inside our what? Still inside our range. Okay, and this is what we have here on the top. So let's see. If you go to 1 minute, let's go to 1 minute. 1 minute is giving us what? 1 minute is giving this one here. Okay, you see why price came back here very quick and check because of this one here. Okay, even this. Okay, this was a break of structure, and we had this candle here. Okay, but we still have something here. Okay, we still have something here. This. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's watch what the market will give us. Okay, now what we are seeing here, we saw liquidity being taken up and down. Okay, and this is what price is doing. It's coming to this range here. Okay, price is coming to this range here. Okay, and if you look properly, we have something here. Okay, we have something there. Perfect. So now let's go back to our 3 minutes. We want to confirm if it was a good breakout or it was a fake breakout. So still our 3 minutes is telling us this is a what? Is a fake. I mean, it's not a fake, it's a breakout. Okay? A very serious breakout. So what should we expect? We should expect a retest back to our horizontal 20 pips. Price is there, guys. We saw a breakout, but we have a fair value gap here at the top, and again we have this as our what? Our higher, but we have a fair value gap there. So let's see how market is going to behave. Okay, let's go to 1 minute. Maybe it has already shown us some signs of retest. No, still market is just moving up. Now if you say that you want to take a trade right now, okay, if you want to take a trade right now, but market has come to our resistance level, so we have to be patient. It should be below this one is big, yeah. The stop loss should be below here, almost 91 pips, and we focus 1 to 2. Okay, we focus 1 to 2 here, 1 to 2 there, 1 to 2 there. So let's wait for a retest first. Okay, let's wait for a retest, which we have a fair value gap here. Okay, we have a fair value gap here, so we have to wait for this retest. Okay, let's wait for that retest, and we're gonna take our buy. So both ways, you can take a buy there or you wait for a retest, but that's how it goes. Now what do you see from here? What does the price telling you? Price is telling us that this was a break of a structure, so this was our high. This was our high, guys. Okay, this was our high, and we saw liquidity has been grabbed here. Okay, so we expect that we need a candle that will take this low, and then we know, wait for a retest back, and then maybe it is going down. Okay, but if not, then it is still going up. Okay, so we want a retest. So let's see, still going. Okay, still going. Will it go to our target 1 to 2, or we have just to wait? So let's see. Okay, we saw a breakout. Yes, we saw a breakout. So price has to go to that level, between 50.39, 50.37. Okay, so I want price to come back to retest, and then I'm gonna put my buys. Okay, so don't worry, even if it will come down, still your stop loss will still protect you, for those who are using stop loss. So price is coming down. Yes, it's coming to our fair value gap. Okay, it's coming to our fair value gap, and then we have an order block there sitting there. So let's wait and see. We have an order block here, guys. Okay, we have this one here. So we expect price will just come and do some reactions there. Okay, so we're gonna go down. Okay, because of that. Yes, we're gonna go down because the bearish candle is much bigger, strong than the previously bullish candle. You can see. So market came back to and they retested to what? It came back and they retested to our 20, our horizontal 20 pips. I don't know if you have seen it, guys. It came back and they retest there. So let's see how we're gonna chip in there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is our higher that we have. Okay. Price is there. Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting a retest either to our a retest by the body. I want to see a retest by the body. I want to see a retest by the body. I want to see a retest by the body. I want to see a retest by the body. Okay, still coming.